Good morning to everyone. I have done a project on with my colleague, me, G. Sanjay, and S. Karthikeyan. The title of the project is Production of Propylene Oxide and Propylene Glycol using Chlorohydrin, done on the industry of Manali Petrochemicals Limited, Manali. The internal guide, Thamarichelan and external guide, Raguraman. About MPL, Manali Petrochemicals Limited was started in 1988. It markets propylene glycol and propylene oxide. It is a Chennai-based company. Annually, it produces about 27,000 metric tons of propylene oxide, 14,000 metric tons of propylene glycol, and 15,000 metric tons of polyethyl polyol and system polyol. Various products of MPL are propylene glycol, propylene oxide, polyols, propylene glycol monoether. Abstract of the project is a suggestion to a profitable recovery of propylene glycol and propylene oxide using chlorohydrin. The project deals with the calculation of determining the height and diameter required for the design of distillation column, which is to be used for the recovery of propylene oxide and propylene glycol. The energy balance and material balance has been made along with design procedure and process economics. Objectives of the product: mass balance calculation for 60 metric tons per day of propylene glycol, energy balance calculation for 60 metric tons per day of propylene glycol. In the project, to design any one of the respective heat and mass transfer equipment. There are many processes for the production of propylene glycol, but the hydration of propylene oxide is chosen for the manufacture of 3-grade propylene glycol. It causes extremely low level waste generation. The raw materials required for the production of propylene glycol and propylene oxide using chlorohydrin are liquid propylene, chlorine, raw water, and milk of lime. Work process: propylene oxide is obtained by the saponification of propylene chlorohydrin with lime, then required by distillation. Shortly, propylene glycol is manufactured using propylene oxide and raw water. Based on the property of water, it gives mono, di, tri propylene glycol, which is colorless, nearly odorless. Product characteristics of propylene oxide and propylene glycol as organic compound with the molecular formula of C3H6O. It is colorless volatile liquid. Boiling point of propylene oxide is 34 degrees Celsius and melting point 112 degrees Celsius. It is used in the industries for the production of polyurethane plastics. Propylene glycol characteristics: synthetic organic compound, chemical formula of C3H8O2, is viscous, colorless, and odorless liquid. Its boiling point is 188.2 degrees Celsius, melting point of -59 degrees Celsius. It is used in the production of electronic cigarettes, antifreeze, and in food processing. Production of propylene glycol flow sheet is as follows. Production of propylene glycol from propylene oxide is using water and adding a component of hydrochloric sulfuric acid. Propylene glycol is obtained. Works to be done: material balance and mass balance for the production. Process engineering cost: a comprehensive and elaborate design procedure for the given distillation column. Process economics and plant location, layout, process safety are also studied, mainly aimed to improve quality and production capacity of propylene glycol from 60 metric tons per day. Distillation column. Conclusion: propylene glycol and propylene oxide plays a significant role in industries due to their range of practical applications. Glycol are found as diverse products as thermoset, plastics, clothing, paints, glass and ceramic, aircraft, dicing fluids, adhesives, printing inks, cosmetics, and food processing. Reference as follow. Thank you.